Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez, Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natutunan natin anong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mahaginap? So guys, this reading is a journey din naman hinila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mahaginap? So guys, ito na. Tunghayan na natin at bulbugin natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. There is an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking finances na papasok dito na maaaring bubulabugin ka ngayong linggong to. No? May malaking perang parating. Oh, this is adopting the lovers. No? May tungkol sa mag-asawa, tungkol sa mag-jowa, na maaaring related sa finances. No? There's something a partnership. And there's a star card for healing, guys. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. And there's something, a miracles and hope. May pag-asa talaga na magkakaroon ka ng something, a good fortune, na magandang kapalaran. This is a Three of Pentacles. Represent na collaborations. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-transaction. And there's an King of Wands. So something ambition. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities or magiging outcome ng eksena, no? Kailangan na gamayan mo, no? Kailangan maging mahinahon. And this is something the King of Cups. You are devoted, supportive person. Or there's something support with the guidance. No? Meron dito assessor guide sa mahal sa buhay na yumao na maaaring ginagamayan ka. There's a father figure here. May nasa-sense ako with a father figure. And this is the Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat ka with a stickiness or cheating lying on you. No? Meron, some of you guys, may nasa-sense ako dito budol or scam. Mag-ingat kayo, baka ma-scam kayo, ha? What is the lovers? Represent what? There's a page of something good news. May magandang balita na pagdating sa inyong mag-jowa o mag-asawa, guys. So, let's see what is a star card. Represent with a magician. Wow! This is something manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mga manifest. Now, there's something wish coming true talaga. And this is a Three of Pentacles. Represent with a tower moment for a major changes. May malaking pagbabago magaganap sa'yo. No? About sa trabaho. About sa tahanan. No, magkakaroon ng there's something sudden changes, biglaan siya. No, ibig sabihin dito maaaring makapagtrabaho ka, maaaring sideline, ganon. Or either may ibang trabaho papasukan. There's a King of Wands, something represent what? There's a Ten of Pentacles for long term. Magkakaroon ka na pang matagalan dito para nakakapag-isip ka mag-negosyo. No? What is the King of Cups? Represent what? There's a full cup for a leap of faith. Na meron dito, kumbaga, magtiwala ka at maniwala ka, there's something support with the guidance. What is the Ace of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords? Represent with a Page of Swords. No, see, there's a spy looking watching at you. Na mag-ingat ka, meron ditong, kumbaga, sinusubaybayan ka. No? Or, kumbaga, pinagmamasdan ka, mag-ingat ka, meron ditong scam. Mag-ingat ka, guys, ha? Okay. What is the lover circles, the Page of Wands? There's a Wheel of Fortune. Wow, there's a destiny. No, meron talaga dito nakalaan para sa iyo talaga, no? May taong talagang para sa iyo. There's a something for long-term relationship, guys. May magandang balita. There's a phone call, messages ka matatanggap. And there's a star card ko sa magician. Represent with a Six of Swords with the transition. Makakaalis ka talaga sa situation. Ang laking, there's a something, a power shift, no? May bigla ang pagbabago na magaganap. And of course, there's something, the Three of Pentacles. And of course, the Tower moment, represented with the Judgment, a wake of call. No, this is a inner calling na parang tinatawagan ka na you need to pay attention, no? Kumbaga, there's something na kailangan mo mag-ingat. No, sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-transactions, baka mabudol ka. And there's a Nine of Wands for slowly but surely. Maging mahinahon, maging kalmado, huwag ka madalos-dalos sa mga decision or gagawin mong action, ha? What is the King of Cups? The Full card. Represent with that Four of Pentacles, saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Lagi mo po protection at pangalagaan ang sarili mo, no? Ang iyong finances. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Hermit card. Spiritual development. No, magdi-develop ka mo sa spirituality na parang aware ka na eh. No? Pagdating sa mga kulang, pagdating sa spiritual, pagdating sa mga balas, pagdating sa mga scam, no? Yung mga ganong, or parang na-hypnotize ka, aware ka sa mga ganyan, hindi na bago sa iyan. And there's a Three of Cups, no? Something celebration. Na mag-unti-unti ka magkakaroon ng celebration. And there's the Two of Cups with a partnership. Wow! So this is something, parang, ano to guys, soul ties. Now, there's a something connection, nagsimula sa magkaibigan, magkaroon ka ng nagsimula sa pagkakaibigan na napunta sa pagkakaibigan, parang ganon. Additional messages tayo for the finances and career. And there's a Ace of Cups for something, a love offer, no? Talagang connected ang love life and career. And there's a Queen of Pentacles with a practicality. There's something good sa pagdating sa interviewer. No, kumbaga, mabubuo dito yung business ideas, no? Sa inyo dalawa na person mo. Magkakaroon kayo ng partnership. And this is something the Hermit card. No, parang marami kayong pinagdaanan or maaaring, kumbaga, dahil sa mga nangyari sa inyo, parang natuto na kayo. No? Additional messages. Imbis na magtrabaho, magdinegosyo na lang kayo. Ganon. For a love life. Represent what? For love life. So, this is a Five of Swords in reverse. So, this is something fair fight. May patas na laban, ha? Magkakaroon ng patas na laban. And because this is the Moon card. For a truth reveal. No? Parang malalantad na yung mga bagay na ano ba talaga yung gusto niyo sa isa't isa. No? There's something plus. No? Yung pangit, yung mga hindi magaganda, parang tinatanggap niyo na. Sa isa't isa, ha? Kung mamahalin niyo maging sino ka man, ganun yung atake. No, additional messages, no? Even some of you guys single mother or single parent or single died, there is something acceptance. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa health. So this is a Page of Cups, so something in intuitions, no? Kumaga meron ka ditong mga matagal nang nararamdaman, no? Maaring acidic ka, no? Iwasan mo kumain ng mga matitigas, no? Kumaga hindi ka natutunawan. Meron sa sense ako dito parang nasusuka ka or either parang sinusuka mo pag hindi ka natutunawan. Mataas sa acid mo. Imiwas ka sa mga mataas sa protina. Maaring kumaga nagkakaroon ka ng allergies, ganon. And because this is something that Five of Cups, something disappointment, no? Maaring ngayong para madidisappoint ka sa mga nangyayaring sa eksena mo ngayong with your health, na para mag-ingat ka sa mga kinakain mo. Para magsisisi ka dito, parang kinain mo pa kasi ganito, ganyan. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent the dark night shadow side with the Moon card. No, truth reveal. No, lahat ng mga bagay na nakatago, maaaring malantad na to. And there's an abundance. No, magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan dito. And this is something of unity. No, kailangan talaga magkaisa with your partnership, guys. No? And because this is something control. Kontrolin mo yung bunganga mo. No, masyadong matabas yung bunganga mo or matalas, no? Maaari makapagsalita ka ng hindi maganda with your partner or with the other people, mag-ingat ka, pasmado yung bunganga mo. And because this is something fulfillment. No, kumbaga matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo, kumbaga unti-unti na yung ma-fulfill. No, lahat ng mga pinangarap mo o inaasam mo, maaari matupad mo at maaaring abot kamay mo na. What is the synchronicities represent what? And this is something reflection. So see, kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, magre-reflect yan sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, magbabounce back. Mag-ingat ka sa mga negative na gagawin mo, maaaring bumalik sa'yo ng hindi maganda. And there's an intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Nabibigyan ka ng paalala ng ating mga angel spirit para mag-pay attention sa nangyayari sa'yo. No? Parang there's something, a message with your dreams, no, with an angel's number. There's something signs. At the same time, there's something, a silence. Kailangan maging tikong bibig, ha? Iwasan mo yung pagiging madaldal. Kwento ka na kwento ng mga eksena mo sa buhay. No? Hindi mo alam kung yung mga tao sa paligid mo ay kumbaga karamay mo ba? 'Di ba? Maaari natutuwa pa nga yan sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, no? Kung negative ba yung nangyayari sa'yo. There is something in evil eye, talaga ako na-sense. Because this is something whom do you need to forgive. Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan at bitawan. Yun yung mga negativities, no? Lahat ng mga galit, puot, pakawalan mo yan. Dahil hindi mo matutupad yung mga pangarap mo kapag may bit-bit kang bagahe sa dibdib mo. Let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what. Kaya wag ka magtaka bakit nagkakaroon ng back and forth, ha? Kasi there is a negative na maaaring nagsisink in sa'yo. Hindi siya kumakawala. No, ang hirap niya kumawala dahil sa mga kumaga nararamdaman mo. No, kailangan mo pakawalan mo yun. Yung nararamdaman yun, yung maaaring galit, puot, alisin mo yung pakawalan mo. Ayaan mong magtiwala ka sa ating Panginoon. Surrender to the divine. And there's something magnetic attraction. See? Kumaga ma-Elsa kayo sa isa't isa, ha, with your partner. Ibig sabihin, kumaga attracted kayo sa isa't isa, no? There's something sexual attracted eh. May nasasense ako na ganon, no? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And there's something intimacy. Nasense ako na intimacy, no? What is Archangel Michael messages? Represent what? Represent we not decide to be happy now. So, kailan mo mag-decision, magiging masaya ka? Ngayon, bukas, magpakailanman. Ganon. And of course, your children are watched over by angels. No? Yung anak mo, ginagabay ng ating angel spirit. No? Let's see what is the chakra messages. Represent what? See, I told you. Diba? Papaliwanag ko, ha? Maghintay ka. Kumalma kayo dyan. And there is a gossip. See? Chismosa, marites. Diba? Marami pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. Kaya, ingat-ingatan mo yung bunga mo. No, mag-share ng mga informasyon. Dahil hindi lahat ng mga bagay na kukuha mo ay natutuwa sila. And there's a guilt, no? May galit pa at inis sa'yo, may ngit-ngit sila, ganon. And there's a prayer. Some of you guys, no, kailangan mo magdasal. Or either, kung pinagdadasal na hindi ka maging matagumpay. Kaya huwag ka nag-share ng information, guys. Diba? And of course, especially guys with your friends, no? Karamihan dito kaibigan mo pa. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Body works. Some of you guys, no, kailangan mo na massage, exercise. I guess you're on the right path, nasa tamang direction ka, guys. It's good. Tama na yung pinagagawa mo sa buhay mo. What is the Moonsology? Expect the powerful change. No? Mag-expect ka ng mga biglaang pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. Dahil there's a prosperity lies ahead. Talagang magaganap na ipagkakalood sa iyo yung kasaganahan dito. What is an angel's answer represent what? Don't stop. Wow! Wag kang hihinto, Mangalay na hanggang mangalay, pero wag kang hihinto. And there's an in the near future. Diba? Matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Malapit na. And there is a recovery. See? Makaka-recover ka na, kuya, sir. Ganon, madam. For Archangel Michael messages. And this is a relationship. Malaking factor sa reading mo ngayon ay pag-ibig, ha? Kung iba yung atake mo sa pag-ibig ngayon, mag-ingat ka, baka mabaliw ka. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Baka second time around ka, guys. Mag-ingat. And there is an enlightenment, no? There is something enlightenment. Kung maliliwanagan ka na. No, sa lahat ng there's a relationship and health. Talagang, diba? Konektado talaga ang relationship, health, and finances mo ngayon. And there's a spiritual activation. See? I told you. This is all about spiritual. Kung marami kang mga nangyari, there's a past life talaga ko na sense. No, nangyari na ito sa nakaraang eksena mo, wag na ulit mangyari. No, there's a contract. No? Maaring there's a marriage contract or either there's a something contract with a bahay, no? Sasakyan, or either there's a something marriage, no? There's a balance eh. So it means marriage, no? And there is a first chakra Archangel for healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a happiness, guys. Magiging masaya ka na dito. And there's a growth and expansion. See? Diba? Kung papalawakin yan. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Represent religious factor. There is a spiritual path. So, ibig sabihin, this is a perfect time for you or either twin flame or soulmate connections. Mag-ingat lang kayo kasi lapitin kayo ng gayuma. Or either your person na maaaring magayuma. Additional messages. Kasi there's a something spiritual path or something religious na maaaring merong mga orasyon. Kaya there's a something prayer na maaaring, kumbaga, ito na yung true love mo or maaaring, ito yung greatest love mo or even, maaaring soulmate mo talaga siya or soul ties, no? Kumbaga, ganon. And this is something longing of home, no? Homesick for the star. Ito yung parang na-miss mo Ito yung mga bagay na inasam-asam mo, maaaring makuha mo na siya. And because this is something lost land, so there's a soulmate memories and gift. See, there's a soul memory. So, ibig sabihin dito guys, na nangyari na to from the past, or either this is a past life, no? Nangyari sa nakaraang buhay mo. No? You've done this before. Nangyari na to No? Wag ka na ulit parang magkaroon ng second time around na eksena. No? What is the Jesus loving quote said? Have faith in God. So, kailangan mo magtiwala. Diba? Sa atin po kung may kapal, kailangan mong manampalataya. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with the angel's number. Represent what? Represent with a 0 to 20 with that act your idea. So, see, kumilos ka na ayon sa iyong kaisipan, sa iyong mga ideas, imaginations, creativity, you have the benefit of good fortunes, no? And you have used your wise judgment, you can do anything in this place. You can reach new heights. You should act on your potential when you see this pattern since what your plant will grow. You are about to experience a spectacular accent. So, see, talaga magaganap talaga lahat ng mga uumpisahan mo, maaaring magbunga yan, no? Kaya kailangan mo magtiwala ka sa sarili mo at magtiwala ka sa ginagawa mo. No? Alisin mo yung mga distractions. No? Kailangan mo maisakatuparan to. There's something discipline. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with the messages of life. Represent, stand tall and strong. So, say, pinatibay ka ng mga karanasan, pinagdaanan, at ngayon malakas ka na, no? Parang pinatibay yung pundasyon mo dito. Today, I choose to grow, and of course, I choose to remain positive. I face all my challenges with strength and courage. I will not be denied or turned away. I do not allow myself to be carried away for my negative thoughts. I stand tall and strong and live each moment in joy and peace and living my future in God's hands. Believe in life because life and believe in me. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na to ay pagdadaan mo dahil na sa tamang proseso ka. Pinatibay, pinalakas dahil lahat ng mga karanasan at mga pinagdaanan mo ay maaaring susi yun or formula yun para maabot mo mga pahanap mo. Ganun lang yun. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 on December 24 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapong na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!